Hello and welcome to JOSA Counseling Support. In this video, I will discuss process of JOSA counseling. So let's start the video. Your JEE main rank has been declared and the conclusion of advanced exams is followed by candidate registration for JOSA. In case you don't know what JOSA is, let me clear this first. JOSA is an authority set up by MHRD to regulate the admission in IITs, NITs, IIITs and GFTIs. This is the schedule for JOSA counseling process. You can download it from the description panel below, or you can get it from official website of JOSA, which is also in the description panel. Beware of fake JOSA websites. Many fake websites are created in name of JOSA, so please be aware of them. Let's discuss the schedule. On October 6th, the registration for JOSA starts. You have to fill the names of colleges in such a manner that desirable colleges are on top. You can fill as many choices you want. There is no restriction. There is a myth among many students that if you fill more choices, you will get bad college. But this is not true. On 12th of October, mock seat allocation will be declared. Mock seat allocation means you will be allotted a seat on the basis of choices you have filled on a trial basis. This is not the real seat allotted to you. So don't worry if you are not allotted any seat. Mock seat allocation only gives you a rough idea of which college you can get. On 14th October, second mock seat allocation will be declared. 15th October is the deadline to lock your filled choices. The real seat allocation will start on 17th October. That is the round 1. Those students who will get a seat in round 1 have option to float or freeze that seat. Freezing the seat means that you are satisfied with the college you got and you don't want to go further in the counseling. And floating means that you want to take part in further rounds. If you are not getting the seat in round 1, then you have to do nothing but wait for the second round. This process continues till final round. In my next video, I will discuss the business rules of JOSA, in which I will analyze overall admission processes like participation fees, seat acceptance fee, seat withdrawal, filling choices. Till then, you should know the points I have discussed in the video. For any doubt clarification, use comment section. I will answer them all. I am stopping here. Thanks and all the best.